We will talk about Shopinopoly. This is a simulation which is created to foster entrepreneurial attitude and spirit in young people. The time that you need for this is between 3 to 6 hours. The group size that you need is 15 participants at least. You should divide them into in groups of 3 to 5 persons. The resources that you need for this are flip charts, printed instruction for teams, scissors, glue, paper, printed money, real startup money if you need, etc. In the beginning, the facilitator explains that the simulation aims to create a real business environment and market for participants, and they will have the chance to go through the whole business cycle. Then the facilitator explains the stages, which are the first stage, preparatory research stage, in which the teams need to get to know the needs of the target group, which means interviewing, running a focus group, a questionnaire with people regarding their needs and wants. The second stage, it is the preparatory stage, is creating a product or service with the right amount of products for the game stage. Here it is possible to provide with real startup money so that participants can go to the shop and buy raw materials if necessary. The advertising stage, which is the third stage. Each team is presenting a short TV ad about their service product which lasts 1 minute and 30 seconds. The selling stage. Each member receives a certain amount of money to put into the market by buying products or using services of other teams. And the last stage, the evaluation stage. The teams count the money they earned and fill out the report sheet. Players count only the money they received. Money that was left from their pocket is not counted. So this is Shopinopoly. Enjoy it!